Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World.
Can't seem to get enough of the shorty up in the club. And every time I wanna holler, she already got a bottle. She's the only one I'm thinking of. And I said, yeah, 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 she's my shorty. Yeah, 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 my shorty. Yeah, 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 she's my shorty. Ooh, yeah. I can't get enough.
The daytime moonlights of the night. I light up when you call my name. You know I'm gonna treat you right. You know me, fever. When you see fever when you hold me tight. Fever. Fever all through the night. Fever all through the night. You give me fever when you kiss me. Fever when you live in love. Fever till the sister. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn.
Alright, wow! Teammates, ang small performer ng Team of Dara! Araw nilabot pare. Araw nilabot ako. Sumura sa fever na ako. Grabe, ibang kahit. Teammates, palababo natin. Young Jamie! Yes! Very consistent. The whole time. Ano sabi mo sa performance mo?
Hindi ko may fever na rin ako.
Ang galing ng pagkakapo mo dun ha. Pero Tara, may question ako sa'yo. Nasiyahan ka ba sa iyong performance?
Ano?
Nasiyahan ka ba sa
Of
performance?
course naman, I'm so happy. Actually, I did not expect to reach the time noon. Kasi, yun, may throat, gan. First, sabi ni, I love you, Timo!
Hindi na nagmamahal sa'yo. Simula nung spot niya.
Maski tayo, nagmamahal na tayo kay Tara. Grabe,
Nilabot tayo.
itong klase.
At ito, Dara, may chance kaya na maging pasado ka for the week?
Sa tingin mo?
I think so, kasi I gave my best naman kanina po. Tapos, my mentors trained me like, wow, amazingly. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Nag-agree yung mga judges natin.
Yes.
Pero teammates, up next, malalaman na natin ang pinakapasadong sport performer sa pagbabalik lang yan na Shoutout!